This one's for Pat. Original Macintosh, week 19 of 1984. This is System Software version 1. There you go. Tuesday, January 24th, 1984. Happy birthday, Macintosh. I ended up booting it from the external drive. The internal drive I just need to lubricate. The disk that was in it was not actually stuck. It had just never injected all the way. This is an auto inject, and it hadn't picked it up and taken it in, so I just need to lubricate it and that'll be fine. But I've started it up on a couple of different startup disks. Everything is running just fine. We got the good old puzzle. Some of the old desk accessories melt. Oh no, I'm not happy. It's fun stuff. So there you go, Pat. The Macintosh did boot up. Like I said, this is an original one from 1984. It's a week 19 manufacture. It's sitting on the hard drive 20 that plugs into the floppy disk port, but I haven't gotten that going quite yet. I got to find the disk that has the driver on it, but there's the look inside. I took it apart to make sure that floppy wasn't jammed up, but CRT and the analog board and all that. So quick video for Pat. Thanks for watching while we were trying to get her going. We did get it going on its birthday. We could probably run a few other things, play a couple of games, but it's running just fine.